Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Mel Just Simple. I'm Mel and today I have another video for you guys. Today I have a kitchen decorate with me. I was going to do the cleaning part, but I already did. I might dust a few little places where I'm going to be decorating, but come along with me and let me show you guys how I decorate my kitchen for this Christmas season. Come on. So hey guys, well, I'm back and this is the part I'm going to be cleaning and decorating. This is the first section. I'm going to be doing this video in sections because it's hard to maneuver in my kitchen because it's not that very big and it's very narrow. So I'm going to be starting off cleaning my Hobby Lobby shelf, and yeah, and then we're going to decorate it after. So come along on this journey and I hope you enjoy. So I'm at a different part in my kitchen and I'm going to decorate this rack along with my mug rack up here. This rack I got from Amazon. I'm going to be using some canisters and some different mugs. The mugs aren't Rae Dunn, but the canisters are. So here we go with this one.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment Springtime, the snow is falling down, and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Alright guys, so I decided this time I'm going to also decorate the top of my fridge.
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you, we'll be sharing a secret.
Alright guys, so I just interrupt the decoration portion to just show you guys that I have created a little snack tray for my kids, and it is not, you know, professional. It's just a tray, a tier tray that I took apart, and I put a piece of this here and I put something underneath it. So I'm going to show you the goodies that I've gotten, and I hope you continue to enjoy the video and stay tuned.
Regrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers.
So hey guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy the process of me decorating and cleaning my kitchen. Please leave a comment below what's your favorite part, what did you like, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to let you guys know when I upload a new video. And don't forget to please be safe. Have a Merry Christmas. Enjoy your holidays. Peace.